My goodness. Oh.
They're all cute.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, they're so energetic. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what to say. So those are all girls, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. These two are on the same litter.
Uh-huh.
And this is out of a different litter.
Oh, okay. The first litter, right?
Yeah. The one that can go home the 7th. The other one can go out of the go home let me see here. Can go home the 10th.
Okay, perfect.
And actually, the one that goes to California would be a litter mate.
Okay, perfect.
Are you taking the puppy to California?
Yeah.
Okay. So I would probably take them both at the same time.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to do that.
So.
Perfect. Oh, well, I don't know.
I mean, what? I guess. Do you like this one at all?
So my husband isn't fond of the markings, so I guess we're looking more for the.
We'll take that one out.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So you want one that don't have any markings on it.
Right.
So it's this one here.
There we go. That's the one.
And the other one does have markings for sure?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
The other one's got a little bit of white on it in the feet and head and stuff.
Oh, okay. Okay. And you would say this one, sorry, what was I going to say?
What? It's going to get a little bit darker?
Oh, this is apricot color or what color?
Yeah, well, it's kind of a, I'm going to call it a mocha.
Mocha.
Color.
Interesting. Okay.
Yeah. And it's going to be beautiful. I mean, it's got that beautiful color, I think.
Yeah.
So.
I agree.
Oh. And how old are they now? 6 weeks?
Well, they're 6 weeks, a little over.
And how much does she weigh? Do you know?
You know, she's about 6.5 pounds, 7 pounds.
These ones are mini, right?
Yep.
Oh,
yep.
wow.
I'm going to say she's 6 pounds, 6 to 7 pounds, somewhere in there.
How much do you think she'll weigh when I pick her up?
Oh, I don't think she'll weigh 10 pounds yet.